In last class, we completed 4 problems in this exercise. You see this question number 5. In this question number 5, total 3 bits are there. We will see what are those 3 bits. This is important question. You see what they are asking. State with reason whether the following functions have inverse. State with reason whether the following functions have inverse. They given function from so and so set to so and so set, and the function is defined like this. Order pair 1, 10, order pair 2, 10, order pair 3, 10, order pair 4, 10, like this. This is the question they given. First thing, what they are asking, state with reason whether following functions have inverse. As we discussed in previous classes, function will have inverse when functions will have inverse only when it is bijective function. What is bijective function? A function which is both 1, 1 and onto is called bijective function. Very important point we are discussing. Which functions will have inverse? The functions which are bijective, they only will have inverse. If the function is not bijective, then inverse does not exist. What is bijective function means? A function which is both 1, 1 and onto is called bijective function. So in this problem, total 3 bits are there. It is one of the important question to revise how to check 1, 1 function onto function. First, I'll write the given information. In this first bit, they given that f is a mapping from 1, 2, 3, 4 to the set 10. And the function is defined like this. Order pair 1, 10, order pair 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10. What I'll do, I'll draw a diagram to check whether the function is 1, 1 function onto function or not. I'll check whether the function is bijective or not. See here, as per what they given this is function from 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10. So in the first set I written 1, 2, 3, 4. Second set I written 10. As they mentioned here, 1 is related to 10. Look here, 1 is related to 10. 2 is related to 10. They given in the question, that's why I mapped like this. 3 is related to 10. 4 is related to 10. By seeing this diagram, can you say that is this function is 1, 1 function? What is the definition of 1, 1 function? Different elements in domain set must have different images, right? But here 1, 2 are different elements. These two elements are having same image. It tells you that this function is not 1, 1. When the function is not 1, 1, it is not bijective. When the function is not bijective, we can say that this function doesn't have inverse. What they are asking in the question, state with reason whether the following functions have inverse. What is the reason here? First thing, this function is having inverse? No. What is the reason? Because this is not a bijective function. Why it is not bijective? Bijective means the function which is both 1, 1 function and onto function. As this function is not 1, 1 function, it is not a bijective function. So as it is not bijective function, inverse of f does not exist. I hope you understand. Now we'll move to second bit. You see the second bit, state with reason whether the following functions have inverse. State with reason whether the following functions have inverse. See here what they given. G is a mapping from this number to this. G is a mapping from this function to this function. Okay. And the function G is defined as 5, 4, 6, 3, 7, 4, 8, 2. This information they given in the question. They are asking, is this function is having inverse? What do you know? If the function is having inverse, it is a bijective function, right? So first I'll write the given information and I'll draw the figure for this related information. I'll check whether it is 1, 1 function or onto function or not. You see, 5 is first thing. Here 5, 6, 7, 8 you write in the first set. 1, 2, 3, 4 you write in the second set. Okay. 5 is related to 4. They given in the question. 6 is related to 3. 7 is related to 4. 8 is related to 2. This is the information they given. By seeing this figure, can you say this function is 1, 1 function? What is 1, 1 function? Different elements must have different images. You see here 5, 7. 5, 7 are different elements. Image of 5 is 4. Image of 7 is also 4. Different elements are having same image. It tells you that this is not 1, 1 function. G is not 1, 1. If it is not 1, 1, then it is not a bijective function also. Therefore, what we say, this function doesn't have inverse. What is the reason? Because this function is not bijective. I hope you are understanding. What is the main point we are discussing in this class? Which functions will have inverse? The function which is bijective, those functions only will have inverse. Now see the next question. State with reason whether the following functions have inverse. They given a function from this set to this set and the function is defined like this 2, 7, 3, 9, 4, 11, 5, 13. They given like this. First I'll write the given information and I'll draw a figure to check the function is 1, 1 on 2 or not. Here this is from 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'll write these elements in the first set. 7, 9, 11, 13 I'll write in the second set. As the function is defined like this, I'll map 2 is related to 7 like this. 3 is related to 9. 4 is related to 11, 5 is related to 13. I written like this. Now the point is, I'll check this is 1, 1 function or not. As per the definition, what is 1, 1 function? Different elements in first set must have different images in second set. You see here, you take any two elements, they have different images or not? 2, 3, they are different, their images are also different. 2, 5, they are different, their images are also different. By seeing the figure, we can easily say that this is 1, 1 function because different elements in first set have different images in second set. So what I can say, this H is 1, 1 function. You see what I written, different elements have different images, therefore H is 1, 1 function. Now I'll check onto function. If it is 1, 1, we cannot say this is inverse exists. We need to check for onto function also. So I'll check onto function. What is onto function definition? For every element in codomain set, there exists at least one preimage. See here, 7 preimage is there? Yes. 9 preimage is there? Yes. 11 preimage is there? Yes. 13 preimage is there? Yes. For every element in codomain set, there exists a preimage. From this, we can say that this function is onto function. See, therefore, from 1 and 2, this function is 1, this here, this is 1, 1 function, this is onto function. From 1 and 2, I can say that this function is bijective. If the function is bijective, then inverse exists, right? In the coming class, in the next class, we are going to do 5 problems. From those 5 problems, one 5-mark question, 100% guarantee from this functions chapter. But to understand those problems, it is important to know when inverse of a function will exist, and it is important to know the definition of inverse of a function. So next class is very important.